Here at Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings, we know that you have a lot of great options for detailers in the Central Texas area, but we hope to earn your business by providing quality services such as Clear Bra. Clear Bra is a protective film that differs from vinyl wrap in that it protects against most scratches and rock chips on your vehicle. Paint enhancement, otherwise known as paint correction, cutting and buffing, or polishing, which is a process that removes many of the defects from your car's paint, including automated car wash swirls and scratches. Ceramic coating, which is a liquid that forms a semi-permanent bond with your vehicle's paint, creating a hydrophobic, glossy, and UV-resistant surface that makes your car far more easier to clean up. And lastly, auto detailing, which is the process of completely cleaning your vehicle's interior and exterior from top to bottom. Although we're about an hour north of Austin, don't feel like you can't use our services if you're from the Austin area. We do offer enclosed transportation for larger jobs. So call, text, or visit our website to get your vehicle protected today.